we committed, I'm here with our chair for APO and our APO bicameral members.
Hi, Chief Romy.
Please kindly convey to the AFP, to our men and women in uniform, that as we committed, that the subsistence daily allowance from 150 to 350 has not only been affirmed but has been approved and is being signed right now. We will ratify the bicameral report this afternoon. So please tell them whatever they heard, that's all fake news. Basta nagsalita tayo when we speak. I as the speaker in the house, when we speak, we mean it and we will always deliver. You are top priority, sir. Please tell the men and women in the AFP, top priority po kayo, and we are fully committed to support all of you and to keep your morale high and to always take care of you. Please convey that. Mabuhay ang AFP. Mabuhay kayo lahat. Okay.
I will relate this to the troops on the ground and I will notify my speech during the AFP.
So that is signed here in the BICAM. It will be ratified tonight in the plenary. We will ratify the budget on Wednesday, and the President will sign it into law. That is as good as gold. So I just wanted to allay any fears that there was anything other than what we had committed in some balance to you and to the troops. Mabuhay. We look forward to our fellowship on the 13th at Aguinaldo. Okay. Mabuhay. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you.
Merry Christmas, sir.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you.
More will be coming. We'll be looking for more ways to support the troops. Assure them.
Yes, sir.
We assure them more for next year as well. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Salamat po. Salamat.
Thank you.
Sir, salamat. Thank you.